Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Life of Amulya. And welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to Commercial Street because Navratri is here and my outfit is sorted but Ananya's outfit isn't. So we need to go explore, and today is a public holiday, which is October 2nd. So that's why both of us have the day off. I think that's a favorite thing to do, just go shop. And now we have an occasion coming up, so it's like the perfect thing. And though my outfit is sorted, my jewelry isn't, so even I'm gonna explore that. My hair is dried up, so I just need to set my hair. Also, before I go, I wanted to show you how my outfit looked like. So I'll just show a picture of my skirt that I'm gonna be using. So this I got during my brother's engagement. Blouse, I got a blouse, ready-made blouse, and it's so beautiful. I don't think this camera is doing justice to the blouse because it's so pretty and there's so many colors that I can pair it up with. So this is the color of my skirt. So I got this blouse from, I'll link where I got it from. It's a very famous place in Bangalore. And yeah, this is actually a sari blouse, but since I'm anyway gonna be draping a dupatta, I think this should be good. Finished wearing my outfit. I put on sunscreen and now it's time to put on, I just want to put eyeliner, lipstick and perfume. Also, my hair looks like I'm sort of some crazy person. I need to straighten my hair. Going to Commercial Street reminds me so much of my brother's marriage days because we went there so many times to get so many different things. And I just feel like, I could redo that thing all over again because that was such a good feeling, going there, and the marriage preparation was a vibe. So excited, and it's just the best feeling. And especially when the marriage is happening in your house and it's a sibling, you get more excited because you're more involved, and I loved that phase. I wish I could go back. So I always like mixing my lipsticks because I just don't like one particular color. I just want to keep mixing them. So to tone this down a bit, I'm putting on the brown shade. I like this bit. And now on to the back. So ever since I got this bag, I'm carrying it everywhere and it's been my go-to bag. And now because I'll be riding my vehicle, I like to put the sling and sort of wear it around my body. Yeah. So because I'm gonna be riding my vehicle, that's how I wear it. And I keep my phone here because my phone fell when I put it in my pocket when I think this was 3 years ago or something. And I had put it in my pocket and I was riding. It was a hoodie pocket. So my phone was in my hoodie and it fell. And obviously the phone broke and a bus went under it. So ever since then I learned my lesson that I'll always carry a bag. I'll wear it around my body and I'll keep my phone inside because I can't lose this phone because it's too precious. All this while I thought my phone was charging, but oops. Every time we go to Commercial Street, our steps will be a lot because we keep walking around in the same places. So today I thought, let's try how many steps that I've actually taken. Just now I switched on my watch.
This one?
Oh, you're confident, Iga. How is it? How's the weather?
It's very bad. October, right? October, but it feels like April. Very, very hot.
I don't know how we'll roam here. I
think that's a bad idea to come during this time.
Evening means it will be
but
crowded.
Shopping
is shopping.
Now I'm full mulgondbidutte, so I don't think it will be a problem for
exactly. Let's see. Ningoskaraane bandirodu. Let's see.
I hope I get it.
Navratri. First Navratri for both of us.
Yeah. Same song, These two are shortlisted. Where I got it.
Reveal. You can't see. Guess the price of this blouse. It's fully work.
And
There's full like tumba work is there, and then sleeves. Yeah. So guess the price in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. As if people are gonna comment. The jewelry we found was amazing. How did you
can't
feel?
wait to show to you guys.
Full,
Professional YouTuber kara.
full unbox alamara, no? And then next is lunch. So we have finished Commercial Street. Let's see the let's see how many steps I took today. Let's see. How much do you think first?
ಬರೀ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ವಾಚ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 2000.
Yeah. Oh,
I was
2005.
sure. Yeah.
Last time it was 8,000, so I thought it would be more.
8,000 because we spent here earlier a time full.
Okay, let's
How are you feeling?
very tired, like I finished the leg work. Can't wait to eat.
Yeah. Let's go.
Where?
Maybe.
Repeat.
This is our favorite spot place.
Bangalore
So
influence.
whenever we come to Commercial Street,
This is our
we make it a
spot.
point to come here.
When your husband had come, it wasn't good. So he's the bad luck. Guess if those are humans or if that's a statue. For 10 minutes I thought they're humans and they're not moving. I was thinking, why are they just like that? Then I realized, oh,
There's one more.
there's one more there. Also the view while having food.
It's the best.
They are burning calories, we are consuming calories. How's the cold coffee?
It's the best cold coffee in the world.
And you're not a coffee person?
That's right.
Yum.
Damn.
This was yum. This is the best.
Yeah.
Also my lipstick.
Just be like, disclaimer, this is my first time talking like this. Like script illa enu illa, random agi.
Okay, I don't know which is your cover. But we'll start with this cover.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mine.
Oh, nice. First time in the I'll get my this thing. So,
Oh, I didn't have to respect. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this bangle. I don't know whether I found
Focus
it
bangle.
but yeah, this bangle, I got 2 of these. So, little Navratri vibes. So 2 of these.
wear it and show it. Bole chuliya.
Now only that I should get this stuff to some guy's watch.
I wish it did stuff soon.
She wants me to get married so that she
Oh,
can
yeah,
go
I
shopping.
can't wait. Please get married soon. Eshtond I've kept all the
She's decided
my outfit.
yeah, her outfit for my wedding.
Yeah, it's all set.
Okay, next is this. This is a choker.
Yeah.
Our favorite.
Sakra. This one, how much did we pay? I think we paid 270.
295 or
Ah,
something,
295.
but we got offer.
Yeah.
So it's
That was because I
colour.
bargained.
Yeah, I can't bargain. I can't talk. So ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ
Yeah,
from the shop.
please. I love
The last thing that I got. So soon all ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು. But yeah, I got these earrings for that. Did the price tag?
This one,
295.
I
Everything
think
was
this is
295.
and that was 280 something.
I think everything was
close.
295 and the
300
bangles were
were there,
295 each.
Yeah.
So this is the earring and that's all I got. So main was her shopping. So this costed me 1,000 rupees.
Yes.
After bargaining.
After bargaining, exactly.
Okay, next is yours.
Yeah.
You want to
No,
tell?
you only tell.
Okay. So
What are
these earrings are so
love these
good.
earrings.
She wanted exactly like this, and we got it.
We got it.
And she wanted a statement earring, so here it is. Ideshtu? We don't know. You just know the total.
Yeah. Mine costed around 800 and hers.
It was
1,000.
890. She bargained. 90 rupees offer she got. I got 210 rupees offer.
If you told it's Nanda's Jasti shopping and then you shopped more. 1,000 rupees and mine is 800.
So this is the last item
Yeah.
for you. So she got these. They're so pretty.
Yeah, I can't wait to wear it.
And she wanted this during her marriage, but now,
And
she
I'm
got
getting
it. Almost 1 year after your marriage.
Yeah.
So full Navratri vibes. And we also have nose pins. Has
You get it? I think it's in this one. It's not there. Are you sure it's not there in that? I'm sure. Yeah, keep it very safe. I'll look for it.
This is how small it is. So
It's not there in this.
we'll look for it.
Yeah. That's a surprise. You don't have to show it. Oh shit.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಶೋ your precious thing.
Yeah. I don't think they can see, but this is
30 rupees
Yeah.
nose pin. So her husband doesn't know, he doesn't like all
He
this, and
doesn't
she's
like
got
me
it.
wearing all this.
So we'll surprise him when
But
we,
if video banal, obviously he'll get to know.
Yeah.
I don't think he'll watch all of
he
your-
doesn't watch my videos.
He doesn't.
Hashtag boycott. Boycott Akshay. Next is her blouse. So she has this
I can't.
black color skirt, and I
Okay.
told her to use that for Navratri because it's the best thing and you can easily style it. So this is her skirt.
Got very big, huge can.
Yeah, it's perfect for Navratri. So she had many options for this. So we found the best blouse.
Ta-da-da!
And it's so
This is
perfect.
so good.
Look at the colors, the work, everything. And this, inge tupsipadu.
It's the best. I can wear it with different
Saris also, it looks so
Yeah.
good, and so many
Plain
other
sarees.
If you buy a red plain skirt, a pink plain
Exactly,
skirt, you can
yeah.
wear it with that.
This is like a perfect investment. Multi-purpose use.
How much is this? 2,690.
2690. Yeah. 2690.
And we got it from this place called Wow.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, Wow. Here it's written Wow, here it's written DCM.
But it's called Fusion something.
DCM Retail.
Yeah.
Commercial Street, you just put the locations here.
Yes.
So these were our purchases. Then we went to Maverick. We sat there for 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yesterday we 2 o'clock we went, 5 o'clock
2 o'clock we went.
5 o'clock we left.
And we didn't work there at that time.
5:30 we left, not even 5 o'clock.
Time
And she
more.
was on her vacation, so now basically I was catching her up with all the family drama. So that was fun. So earrings, this is the place. Do check it out. Senorita.
Senoritas. Senoritas. Okay, senorita.
Adding glamour to life. They sure did.
Adding glamour.
Okay, bye.
Bye.